Greg here. We're out with Monty. Monty's taking a whiz. He's a good boy. He can go until 12, 1 o'clock without going to the bathroom. Pretty good. He's a camel. So we're getting this storm. I don't know. I'm really excited to see how much snow we get. I'm willing to bet that we get a lot. They're saying that we're just going to get 2 to 5, but we'll see. I mean, if you look at the news, you would think that we're having a massive blizzard and the whole country is shut down, but we are in New England and New England states. I mean, I don't know, even New York. I mean, that's not classified as New England, but they're in the Northeast. They should know. We get bad weather. It's winter. Come on. Greg here. And weather report update in the Essex County, New England area. Massachusetts, Essex County, North Andover. There's no snow. No snow. So, weather update, weather advisory for the Andovers. No snow. Weather people are wrong. Go figure. Hold on, I'm going to get the forecast. Let me get my notes here. One second. Yeah. It's not going to snow.